welcome back, and as you can see we've put everything back together again. Spark plugs back in, everything's clean, air filters dry, put back in. We just got to check a couple of things on here. One, the sprocket's good, and the second one's a little oil hole. And everybody thinks this is oil hole, this is oil hole, and that oil hole corresponds on the bar to that hole. So this hole here's got to be clean when you do it, and there's one on each side. So if you reverse the bar upside down, this hole corresponds. This is oil that takes the chain oil to your chain. So get your emery paper back in again, fold it over, run it up and down the groove. Yeah, making sure it's nice and clean. If I see burnt bars, I just know you've run your chainsaw without any oil in it. So if this bar's got signs of burn marks on it, you've run it without oil. So when you fill the tank with fuel, make sure you fill the chain oil as well at the same time. So just make sure that the little hole's clean. We'll get the chain back in. Making sure obviously we're putting it up the right way. And we'll put it on the bar. And we'll get it back in again. And we can adjust it up a little bit. Get the cover.
So some people might want to know how old this actual chainsaw is, John.
About 10-year-old.
And as long as you service it and look after it.
Yeah, look at it run for another 10 years.
And you can get spares readily for Stihl. This is why you chose the Stihl, apart from the fact that it's a...
Husqvarna's good saws. Still's been the best saw that I've had. Right, adjusting your chain. Right, I've got mine on here. We're obviously making sure it's gone round. I like to get the middle of the bar, whether it's a 12-inch bar or mine's an 18-inch bar, and I like to adjust it so that I can just see in the middle of the bar, I just see the tooth, the drive coming up. That's my chain set for tension. That's where I like to have it. Set there, and we're good to go. Tighten the nuts up, and that's job complete. You've only got to fill it with fuel.
And it's ready to go.
Oil, fuel, we're good to go.
Right, question. When do you know that your chain needs changed?
When it's blunt. So and two options we can go. We can get the files. We can check the box it comes in. I only use Oregon chains. On the back of the box it tells you on mine's a 66 lengths, and it's a 5.5 file, which is a 5.5 file.
Okay.
Which goes into my little angled, I do mine by hand. I don't use any of these modern machines. I set mine by hand. So it's 20 degrees for mine. I set it's degreed off, so I can lock my chain in